A very good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do the chapter exercise, question answers of the chapter. So, open your notebook. So, let's start doing the work. You will do side by side. I will explain the answers of each and every question. First of all, write down chapter number, chapter 10, then name of the chapter, weather, sun, air and water. Then mark the separating line with color pencil. So I think 2 or 3 questions we have already done in the class. Let's have a quick recap of these questions. Then we will start the further question. So question number 1, distinguish between evaporation and condensation. Evaporation. It is a natural process by which water changes into water drops, but it always takes place on heating. Yes. So second, condensation. It is a natural process by which water vapor changes into water drops, but on cooling. Yes. So that process is known as condensation. So second point, evaporation always takes place at any temperature, whether it is cloudy weather, whether it is sunny. So it always takes place. It is not necessary that a requirement of sun is there. So it always takes place at any temperature. So that is evaporation. But condensation, it always takes place at low temperature. Fine. Third, example of evaporation like drying clothes, drying your hair, drying your floor, boiling water. So these are all example of evaporation. Condensation, lots of examples are like dew, fog, clouds, rain, hails, snow. All these are example of condensation. Then question number 2, explain how clouds are formed. So it is a process you have to write in step by step. Due to heat of the sun, the water bodies, what are the water bodies? Like ponds, rivers, lake, oceans, sea, these all get heated up and the water from it get evaporated due to the heat of the sun, and then it changes into water vapors. These water vapor rises up into the sky and goes to the upper atmosphere, and there it cooled due to the cold atmosphere. Due to cold atmosphere present on the upper layer, it get cooled and then it changes into water drop. Then these water drops start combining with each other with the help of process condensation, and they makes clouds, and these clouds start combining with each other and they form big clouds, and when there is no capacity to hold more water, these clouds get burst and they come down as rain. Yes. So that process is precipitation. Fine. So let's start the next one. Question number 3, what are different form of precipitation? So as I told you, when the clouds become too heavy and then they get burst and they fall down in the form of rain, hails, all these forms is known as precipitation. So let's see different form of precipitation. First, rain. When clouds become heavy, they come down as rain. Dew. During winter, water vapors in the air condenses to form tiny drops of water. That is called dew. You might have seen in the winters small water drops on the grass or on the mirrors of the vehicles or on the leaves of the plants. So many places are there where you can see the dew drops. Then fog. Water vapors in the air condenses on dust particle and form fog. So during winters, the water vapors, they get mixed with the dust particles and they form the fog. So fog, it reduces the visibility on the road. Fine. Hails. When air drops passes through very cold air, they get freezed in the form of hails. So water drops, they get freeze due to very cold temperature. So that forms hails. Then frost. When temperature decreases, dew drops freezes to form a layer of ice. So that layer is known as frost. During winters, you can clearly see them near the ponds or when some water bodies are opened. So in that area, you can see the frost. Snow. When the air becomes very cold, water vapor condenses to form ice flakes.
So these ice flakes come down in the form of snow. So these 6 are the main form of precipitation.
I hope you all have done your work. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.